Hi guys! Have you ever played with slime before? It's fun, right? But it will be so cool if you could do this. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make magnetic slime. First we need clear glue. I use Elmer because it's very easy to find.
Want to make slime? Start with Elmer's.
Next we need magical liquid. I use it as an activator. So the last thing we need is iron powder. It's very important because if you don't use iron powder, it will be a normal slime. So let's make it! First, we'll make clear glue and magical liquid. Next, we add iron powder. The more we put iron powder, the more stronger the slime is. So next, I want to add some color, so I use mica powder. It will make the slime a little bit shiny. If you like this video, don't forget to ask your mom before making it because it's gonna be a mess. And don't forget to like and subscribe.